What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And I want to give you a little update on my keyboard situation for my Google Pixel Slate. So as you guys can see, I do have the official Google Pixel keyboard here on deck. This is a nice thin profile keyboard. Before I had the Bridge G-type keyboard. It made this feel more of a laptop because of how solid it was. This one, I don't like the little wobble there when you're trying to have it on your lap and not on a flat surface. But I do like this one. It has a big, nice trackpad, does have backlit keys, does have the rounded keys, but it feels good. It's a really nice feel. It connects by the pogo pins on here, so you don't have to worry about charging this. Trying to get it without knocking over the camera here, guys. So it plugs in with the pogo pins right there, and it's pretty strong. So no worrying about charging it or anything like that. I just don't like these folio type keyboard covers, but this one's pretty nice when you have it on a flat surface. This is made so it attaches to the back by magnets, and you can change the position of it just by moving this around. So if I wanted that to lay farther back, that's how I would do right there. And if I wanted to stand up higher, then I would reposition it. So this is made out of some type of rubber, nice rubbery feel to it. It feels really good, man. It's a really good looking case keyboard. Do have a little bit of branding there, and it does keep it with a low, very low profile. One thing I don't like is this right here. It wobbles on you. It's not magnetized to keep it in place, but that's one thing I don't like. But other than that, this is a great keyboard, and I think I like it a little bit better than the Bridge keyboard, G-type keyboard. Let me go ahead and get that set back. Yep. So big shout out to Jay Will. He did tell me to try and get this one before, but I got it now. And I do like the big trackpad. It is backlit as well. And it's been great so far. Got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 here on deck. Stay tuned for some videos, comparison between these two and the upcoming videos. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.